Getting a parrot to step up is actually quite simple. You just need to learn a few steps. First, you need to train the parrot using food. Only feed pellets when they are young. Only feed pellets, don't feed seeds. Step 2 occurs 8 hours later. Put food on your hand. Reach your hand into the cage to feed it. Withdraw your hand after each bite. This step must be repeated multiple times for training. Step 3 involves hand training. Hold food in your palm and position it behind the parrot. Let it step up onto your hand to eat. Then gently stroke it each time it eats. Gently stroke it repeatedly. Encourage it to use your hand. This requires repeated and consistent training. I kept training like this for half a month. Your parrot will eventually be able to step up on your hand.